Video 7. Commission Decision. According to law, the Commissione decides on your asylum application in the days following the hearing and sends the decision to the Questura. It can take up to 18 months in cases in which the Commissione has to evaluate complex questions or there are many asylum claims. Often weeks or even months pass before the Questura communicates the decision. During this waiting time, you have the right to accommodation in a SPRA centre. For more information, watch Video 5, Reception System for Asylum Seekers. If there is no space in a SPRA centre, you stay in the CARA centre where you were before, or you go to a temporary centre while you wait for a place in a SPRA or in a CARA. The Commissione sends their decision to the Questura, and it is the Questura that will inform you. If you have children under 18 years old, the Commissione takes a decision for each individual separately. For example, if you claimed asylum for your 2 children, the Questura must give you the decision of the Commissione for each child separately on 2 separate pieces of paper. The Commissione can make a decision on your claim or consider your claim inadmissible. Inadmissible means that your claim is not valid because A. Another state has already given you refugee status, or B. You claimed asylum a second time without giving any new information regarding your country or your personal story. Even in these 2 cases of inadmissibility, the Commissione has to evaluate whether your claim should be examined or not. In the case in which you claim asylum for a second time, the Commissione asks you to send, within 3 days, documents which justify your new claim. The Commissione can also decide in the absence of a response from you. If the Commissione takes a decision on your claim, it can 1. Recognize refugee status. 2. Give protection sussidiaria. 3. Give humanitarian protection, umanitaria. Or 4. Reject your claim. Claim rejected means that you cannot have protection in Italy. To understand why the Commissione rejects claims, listen to audio recording 8, Rejected Asylum Claim. Recognition of protection means that you can stay in Italy with a residence permit. For more information on the recognition of international protection, watch Video 9, Recognition of International Protection. On the paper where the decision is written, the Commissione also writes 1. The reasons for giving protection. 2. What information they read in order to know the current situation in your country. And 3. If you can make an appeal, in which court and within which deadline. For more information about making an appeal, watch video 8, Appeal. If you do not make an appeal and you stay in Italy after the deadline written on the paper from the Commissione, you are considered irregular. The police can stop you and give you a paper called a foglio di espulsione. In this case, you have to leave Italy and you cannot return for a period of 3 up to 5 years. If you don't understand the Italian language, you have the right to ask for a translation of this paper in a language that you understand, or otherwise at least a translation in English, French, and Spanish. When you receive a foglio di espulsione, the police decides if 1. You have to wait in a chia before being accompanied to the airport, or 2. You have to leave Italy independently and within a certain time period, which can be between 7 to 30 days. If you receive a foglio di espulsione, ask a lawyer for help. You can also ask the police yourself for a certain time period in order to leave Italy. In Italy, there is a program that helps foreigners that want to go back to their country but do not have the money to do so. This program is called Rimpatrio Volontario Assistito, which means voluntary assisted return. You can ask the Questura or other refugee rights associations how to do this. The Questura or an association can call the International Organization for Migration, the IOM, that buys your tickets and helps you with the journey.